Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today I am going to share tax planning tips. तो फर्स्ट वन इज डिडक्शंस अंडर सेक्शन 80C. ये लिस्ट काफ़ी बड़ा है, हम अलग अलग वीडियोस में इसमें कवर करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इज लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी वेयर लॉक-इन पीरियड इज 2 years and around expected returns are 6%. Yes. Second one is public provident fund where lock-in period is 15 years and the expected return are around 7%. Third is national savings certificate where lock-in period is 5 years and around returns are 6.8%. Now बोलेंगे सर lock-in period क्या रहता है? Lock-in period means this much is for this much period you have to hold the investment. Yes, for this much period you have to hold the investment. You cannot withdraw before that. If you withdraw before that, then whatever benefit you have taken, it will be added back in your income. And one more point, interest on NSC and PPF is again reinvested, so even that is also eligible for 80C. So I hope these tips will help you to save your tax. Thank you so much and see you in the next reel. Bye bye.